Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by exiting Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. After that, you need to install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Select OK. Firstly, over here, click on those three lines, go into Settings and tap on I accept. Then adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're ready, you need to click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen. Now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!